Nowadays, lock is an essential product for both professionals and non-professionals bikers. Today I am going to review about 3 different kinds of locks. At No. 1, SIGTUNA Bike Locks. This provided Sigtuna motorcycle U-lock is made of 16 mm high overall performance metal for substantial protecting power and resistance in opposition to cut and leverage attacks with a whopping 85/100th protection. This motorcycle lock combination has an excessive safety disc fashion cylinder and double deadbolt locking mechanism, very effective and certified in opposition to leverage assaults. This model Sigtuna motorcycle lock aggregate comes with an easy-to-installation motorcycle lock mount, a shielding coating to shield your bike's paint, and no longer 2, but 3 laser-reduced abloy keys. If this U-lock isn't always the favorite you ever owned, some say it is heavy, but which means high quality, just send it returned and get 100% refund. Sigtuna stands for its merchandise. It has a precision locking cylinder that is selecting resistant. Combined with its favored U-lock configuration and woven metal cable, this bike lock can provide the best level of safety possible. It not only safeguards your motorcycle, but however it's also handy. It secures your add-ons, locks up your motorcycle in seconds, and gives extremely good lightweight managing. U-lock with flex frame U-bracket. Key safe program. Kryptonite will deliver your first 2 keys free of charge globally within the event you lose them. 13 mm hardened max performance metallic shackle with new hardened double deadbolts to interact at each end, increasing conserving power. Check in your product online to prompt the optionally available anti-robbery protection. Within the not likely event the product is defeated when used well, Kryptonite will pay out as much as a sure cost relying on the safety cost of the product. Visit our respectable internet site for further statistics. T&Cs follow. Crossbar layout consists of more desirable anti-rotation capabilities, offering superior safety in opposition to twist and unmarried cut-style assaults. New hardened double deadbolts have interaction and each shackle ends, increasing retaining power. New sliding dust cover. Better security disc fashion cylinder is select and drill resistant. Consists of flex frame U-brackets offering convenient multi-vicinity U-lock transport. At No. 3, integrated bicycle lock. Now to be had in 3 new colorings, gray, red, and pink. Patent pending give up hyperlink design secures chain to hardened deadbolt, getting rid of essential vulnerability. Hardened deadbolt design provides extra preserving strength. Excessive security disc fashion cylinder is pick and drill resistant. Includes 2 new ergonomic keys. Durable climate resistant nylon sleeve prevents scratches. Key secure application. The new stop link design secures the chain with the hardened deadbolt. New design secures chain directly to hardened deadbolt. Offers no weak hyperlink in the chain due to the widespread protecting energy of the hyperlink itself against assaults. Excessive safety disc style cylinders are picked out and drill resistant. Weather resistant nylon sleeve prevents scratches to painted finishes. Compact coiling for easy sporting. Comes with 2 ergonomic keys. Which product is good for you, and definitely make a comment which product you like. Keep watching the video until you get your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching the video so far. You will make a comment which the viewer can understand or the customer can understand, which will be very good for them. Stay with us by subscribing and liking and wait for the next video.